I just got some cool stuff in the mail from AliExpress. It has been a while since I've done a stationery sticker haul video with you guys, so let's do it. I don't even remember what this is. You guys ever have that problem? Order something and you forget what you ordered? Oh, these are so much smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Here you can see my finger. Little macaroons, those are really cute. Like a bon voyage sort of thing. Ooh, a whole Paris page. Looks like kind of really cute. It's all green things. Really, really nice. If you don't want to use a background paper, you can use these right on the white background of your journal. Awesome. And then I got similar blue. Supposed to be working right now. Working from home today. Cool, very cool. The next one, got dot, circular, and square. Theme stickers. So here's sort of kitchen, pink kitchen, neutral sort of black, vintage, fruit and vegetable, bakery, or sort of coffee bakery. Lots of cool stuff. I like these a lot. I'm gonna do a journal just based on these dots. How about that? We'll call it pink and yellow. Got some like little petals. These, I got 2 of them because they were so cute. One of these I'm gonna save for a giveaway that I have coming up for 500 subs. So look at all the choices in this one thing. And all different colors. Another one, this is sort of like a black one. Black and gray. You can see all the cool stuff. I just found I didn't have a lot of plain paper. I do have some other cool stuff, but I think I'm gonna save it for another video. Bye.